thinking. And no, this isn't the Hamptons in New York, but with a lot like this and a brick-built home, it might as well be. Welcome to 251 Hampton Oaks Way. Your family won't just love living here. They'll be proud to say they do. Able to hold this one off much longer. So call me before the buyers start rolling in.